am a yoga trainer. Behalf of International Yoga Day, I came to you all to discuss few points about yoga. What is yoga? The yoga is to join or to unite. The yoga practice will create a bond between physical and mental strength to humans. The yoga practice will brings you the balance between body, mind and soul. Why is important yoga in everyday life? The yoga practice helps you to manage anxiety and stress, and it always keeps you relaxing, and it helps to keep your joints always healthy. The practice will help to increase the flexibility, muscle strength and body tone. The yoga practice is a mindful and powerful practice. It always keeps you young and energetic. Why is important to start yoga at the early age? The yoga practice will improve the children's immunity system and it boosts self-esteem. The yoga practice will increase the flexibility and strength, and it enhances the concentration and memory power in children. The few asanas, it improves concentration and memory power in the children. I'm going to show you now. Vrikshasana, it improves concentration level in children. At least try to stay in 30 seconds in this posture every day. First, start with the right leg and then come to left leg. The second asana is Padmasana. First, right leg up. Second, left leg up. Both the hands placed on your knees. Keep your spine straight. Put your head straight. Sit straight and look straight. Focus on one point and stay there at least for 1 minute. The third asana is Paschimottanasana. For this asana, stretch your both the legs straight. Raise your both the hands above your head. Stretch, stretch. Take a deep inhale. Exhale, suck your belly inside and first touch the big toes and slowly come down and try to put your head down and stay there for 30 seconds. You need to practice minimum 2 to 3 times every day. Then slowly come up. Exhale, release your hands. The fourth asana is Sarvangasana. I'm going to show you how to do that. Lie down straight. Place your both the palms beside your thighs. Then slowly raise one by one leg up. Raise your hips up. Try to balance your hips with your palms and elbows. Put your legs straight 90 degrees. Stretch your ankles straight. Stay there for 30 seconds minimum, and as long as possible you can stay for 1 minute. Daily practice. Then slowly come down with your knees. Then slowly come to lie down position. The fifth asana is Halasana. I will show you how to do it now. Lie down and place your both the palms beside your thighs. Then slowly raise your legs one by one and bend backward. Place your both the palms. Interlock your fingers and stay there. Then slowly one by one leg up. Slowly bend forward. Stay there and relax. Pranayama brings you stillness, calmness to your mind. The The breathing exercises will increase lungs expansion and it always keeps you healthy. We all should make yoga our lifestyle routine as this is going to keep healthy and manage mental strength, especially this during pandemic situations. Yoga is foundation of the youth. You are as your spine is flexible. Thank you for joining with me. Stay healthy, stay happy. Pranayama brings you stillness, calmness to your mind. The breathing exercises will increase lungs expansion and it always keeps you healthy. We all should make yoga our lifestyle routine as this is going to keep healthy and manage mental strength, especially this during pandemic situations.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. అందరికీ యోగా దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు. ఈరోజు నేను చేసిన రెగ్యులర్గా చేసే ఎక్సర్సైజెస్ మీకు చూపించాను. ప్రతి ఒక్కళ్ళు కూడా మీ నిత్య జీవితంలో కనీసం ఒక 20 నిమిషాలు యోగాకి కేటాయించి ఆరోగ్యాన్ని కాపాడుకోండి. స్టే హోమ్, స్టే సేఫ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
yoga is foundation of the youth. You are as and as your spine is flexible. Thank you for joining